Hello beauties, and welcome to my very first beauty video on this channel. Thank you so much for clicking the video. If you're here from Instagram, hey guys. If you're here and you're just browsing and you happen to click on this video, hey, nice to meet you. I am Emily Bravo, makeup artist and founder of Bravosbeauty. Coming from Instagram, I always am sharing my stories and sharing some makeup tips and videos, but I figure why not? We have time, why not sit down and film a video, me talking to you guys and explaining how I do my makeup on camera for you guys, teaching you little techniques. Now I'm still getting the hang of talking while doing it, while naming the products, so hang in there. All the products are going to be in the description. But yeah, I wanted to play around with color because sometimes we may think that we can't pull off certain colors. We might tell ourselves that, but you know what? Be who you want to be, and I want you guys to try anything that you want. If you want to rock some purple eyeshadow, that is on you. If you want to rock some stars on your face, that is on you. That is for you. And so today we are going to go over how I achieved this look. It's pretty simple but still fun and something different. So I just want you guys to know that this channel is going to be different. We're going to be sharing a lot of different stuff. I know that some people might be newbies to makeup, while other people might be professional makeup artists that know what you guys are doing. I'm just here to play around, have fun, and create beautiful looks with you guys, for you guys. And yeah, let's get started. First things first, I did my eyebrows and primed my eyelids. I primed with concealer. Any concealer will do, or an eye primer as well. I just find concealer to be more helpful in this case because we do want a vibrant, colorful look. So now I'm going to take this Alyssa Edwards palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's so nice and colorful, perfect for this look today. And I am going to go in with the shade Ho. And I'm just using a big fluffy brush and going all over my lid. This is going to be our transition color. And we just want to go ahead and blend that in circular motions. And don't be afraid to go up close to your eyebrow because we're going to play around with other colors. Alright, now that I have that blended all over the lid, I'm going to take the shade Back Roll. This is a nice brown shade, and I'm going to go ahead and place it right in the outer corner of your eye and along the crease. And we're just going to go ahead and stamp it in. And then we're going to blend it out. As you see, I'm just placing it where I want it to be. I'm focusing the darker color. Alright, now that I have that in place, I'm going to go back in with our transition color and blend out what we just placed. Alright, now I'm going to go ahead and cut my crease with the same concealer I used to prime. And while the concealer is still sticky, I'm going to go ahead and place my purple shade. And this is the shade Believe. Now that we look a little bit like Halloween, we're going to do some eyeliner. Now I'm taking a silver liquid eyeshadow and lining my eye with it. And now I'm going to go in with another purple eyeliner and line on top of that silver. So whenever I'm playing with bright colors like today, I like to do my eyeshadow first, just so that I can clean any fallout and I don't have to worry about ruining my foundation, my concealer, and all the work I'm gonna do. Now to finish off the eyes, I'm gonna go back in with the shade Believe under my eyes. And now I'm gonna take some of that silver liquid eyeshadow and place it in the inner corner of the eye. So I popped some white eyeliner on my waterline. That makes your eyes look bigger. I really like that effect. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and pop some lashes on. Alright, lashes on. I also applied my bronzer, some blush, and I am baking my face to perfection. Now all I have to do is put some bottom eye mascara. Now before I apply my beautiful beaming highlight, this is the Aurora palette from Anastasia Beverly Hills. I'm gonna grab my little nano mister and set my whole face with some setting spray. Some people mistake it for a facial steamer, but it's not gonna open your pores, but it's perfect for misting any sort of spray, setting spray or priming spray, rose water. I really love it. It doesn't leave those splotchy marks that sometimes sprays can leave on your skin. And I'm gonna take the shade Spectra from my Aurora highlight palette, and I'm gonna go ahead and highlight. Honestly, some people don't like their highlight as intense. That is perfectly fine. I love highlight, especially my nose area. So as you can see, I highlight on the bridge of the nose, on the tip of the nose, on the cupid's bow, and a little bit on the chin. Now I'm gonna go ahead and highlight underneath the brow bone, on top of the brow bone, on the cheekbones. Alright, as you guys can see, I added some stars as my freckles. I just felt like it would be a cute little touch. Now I'm going to take this Inglot lipstick and I'm just going to go ahead and apply it. Love this lip. This is in the shade 420. It leaves a matte finish. Perfect for this look. I know this is a crazy outgoing look for today, but I just wanted to have fun, play with some colors, and go out of the box. You could really do this look for anything. I know for the first look I went colorful and creative, but again, on this channel we're just gonna do a little bit of everything. We're gonna see fun, natural, creative, crazy, gory, so expect it all. But yeah, I just wanted to play around with this look, with this background today, and welcome to my makeup world. Okay, that's much better. Guys, this is the final look. I am so glad that you guys stuck around till the end of this video. If you'd like more videos like this, make sure you give it a thumbs up and comment below if you like this look, if you want to play with more colors, if you want to keep it neutral, what you guys want to do. Next video will be more on the skin, so since we touched on the eyes. Don't forget to click the subscribe button if you want to see more. If you'd like to follow my beauty Instagram, it's at Bravosbeauty. My TikTok is also at Bravosbeauty. I do some silly things there. And if you want to follow my personal account, that's Emily_Bravo_. That is more of my day-to-day life. And yeah, see you on my next video.